Alright, so I acquired this safe, and of course there was no key to it, and I happened to have a pick that would work because my nice one's too big. So I bought these cheap Chinese ones. They're 3 different sizes. That one worked, and I haven't opened this yet, but we're going to open this up and see what we can find in here. Hopefully I didn't just lock it. Oh, good. Alright, so what do we got in here? First thing we got, a button cover. Oh, look at that. Porky Pig. Why is that in the safe? This isn't looking good. The carpet. Oh, I guess somebody else has been in here and then locked it, because there's the missing keypad from the front. And the rest of the keypad from the front. That's not good. And the bottom of a remote control. We got some medicine. Sinus and cold medicine. Oh, we got a jewelry box. It sounds empty. Nothing there. Nothing there. And let's see. Instructions on how to mount it to the wall. The top of a jewelry box. We got a little earring. Oh, look at that little pocket knife. That's cool. Must have been a key ring. And we got another jewelry box. Maybe that'll have something. Oh, look, nothing. And a Tasmanian Devil button cover. And the rest of the button covers from the Looney Tunes. That's wonderful. Receipt from Best Buy. Can't even see what they bought. Oh, what do we got here? I don't know what that is. We got a business card. And the wrapper. Oh, we got gold. What is that? Is there anything on that? Is it stamped? I wish it would focus. Oh, it is. It's stamped. What does it say? I don't know. I think it's gold. We'll check that later. Anyway, and a silver chain. No clasp, so I guess we'll check that later too. Oh, I'm glad I didn't waste a lot of energy breaking into this, because there's just a whole lot of nothing in there. Oh well. On to the next one.